in that state. And home, you can see some home are burned down, they are burned to ash. Some traditional religious symbol are also burned down. This thing, you have seen them on social media. And it looked like residents do not trust the South Sudan Defense Force. And South Sudan Defense Force is moving into villages. And that is what we wanted to look at in this, because South Sudan government, if they are fighting to retake the town that were taken by the SPLIO, then that means they could be focusing in Wat Town, Yai Town, and Pajut. But right now, they go to villages like Patai, Pieri, or Walagag, or places like Tiam. Those are villages. Okay, so that one will cause a lot of problem, because those places, they don't have, we don't have the IO there, we don't have the opposition forces in the village. We have civilian. So if they go there, it means that they have a different agenda. Maybe they wanted to tribalize the war, or maybe they want to at least to cause harm to those civilians, and this can be a problem, because the civilian will lose trust and they may go against them. Okay, so IO here is saying, they are saying that they are doing something called tactical withdrawal, and they are not fighting. Okay, tactical withdrawal, of course, tactical withdrawal, there could be a problem with this actually. Okay, and I can argue this is actually wrong, because when you do a tactical withdrawal, first there must be fighting first. Then when you fight, at least you measure the way of fighting. War become maybe heavy, maybe a couple of hours, and then the war doesn't work, then you can do withdrawal. But for them now, several of the towns that are being run, they are not fighting. So I don't believe this, that it might be true that they are withdrawing because of fighting, because of tactical withdrawal, because they did not fight actually. What I think, and my argument is that, you see, look at what the destruction that have been done in those places. And these are their area. This is some of the civilians that they protect. Some of them are their home. So what it means is that you can, if you allow the enemy to actually to move in without fighting, then in the military it's called defection. You are defecting actually to the enemy side. Okay. Ethically, morally speaking, when we use our moral in South Sudan, then it's wrong. You allow the enemy to penetrate and kill your people. So it's totally wrong in the military side and also in our traditional moral thinking. So it's actually wrong. But I don't know what you guys think, but I think it's wrong, and I think it's not real. IO, exactly, if I can predict, I think what they are doing, there must be something going on within let me see this. What I'm thinking is that I think there is a silent defection. There is a defection. This is my argument. Okay, there is a defection, but the defection is kind of like, some of this general might be, they might have an argument about a war. Maybe some they prefer to fight, and some they just prefer to allow the enemy. That is my argument. Okay, it might come up later, but this is what I think, the reality on the ground. Okay. Second, it might be that they might be fighting in the villages, but in town there is no fighting, because those towns, they were captured and there are body of people in the town, so nobody actually lived there. That could be what I will think. But the problem with this, if at all they allow the enemy to come in those towns, and they are not fighting, and then they say is a tactical withdrawal, there is one problem here. The problem is that later on, if they think that they can going to organize themselves, it's going to be very hard for them actually to be able to push them back or to take those towns back. It's going to be very hard. You see, they may come and maybe do a different strategy where it will be impossible, actually, even if they think it's possible. It will be impossible to push them, the South Sudan Defense Force, to go back, or maybe to all the way to Bor, or maybe to defeat them completely in Jonglei State. It's going to be very hard. So I think if they were smart enough, what they could have done, because their power not the same with the power of the government forces, but what they could have done is to wait ambushes. If they could have carried a lot of ambush, that will have actually resist the forces. They will not come from Pajut, and by right now they will not come to Uai. They will not come to a lot of places. Okay, but they refer to not to resist, and they allow the enemy to actually to come to their territory. Really, I think this is very wrong, and I think is a defection. Some of the IO is defecting. There is some disagreement that we'll actually know later. The other thing that we wanted to talk about this is the some of the prisoner of war that were captured. I think you watch video. I watched there is a video that is one person called Peter. I don't know Peter who. Peter Majok. This guy, he said that he is one of the prisoner of war, and he was captured by the government forces. So he speak, and he talk a lot of things in that video, and I'm going to analyze it with you. Maybe you can watch the video, but first of all, he's kind of like his thing is being programmed, because number one, he was told to speak in the Denka. That's what they told him. They told him, don't speak other language, speak Denka language. So that's when then he started talking. Then he say, we were here, 44 of us, and these 44 we were captured. 33 they were all killed, and then 10 of them went with the IO forces, and then he is the only one who survived. And he was captured he went on to the government, and he say now he's safe. He doesn't have a worry now. He's safe because he's with the government, and he's worried now with the 10 that have actually gone with IO because they're going to kill them. Okay, so that's what he said. If you look at this, a lot of people now, they are using this on social media. They are using it wrongly. Okay, and that's the point I wanted to analyze it, because a lot of people may not know what is going on. One thing, there is a problem with the video itself. Number one, this guy, he is being used. He might not even be one of those who were captured. He's being used by the government force to actually kind of like dispute, undermine the professionality of the IO forces. Remember, IO forces, they captured many of the prisoner of war in Pajut. And when they captured these people in Pajut, they showed them on video. So everybody was seeing. The reason they were doing this is because they want the world to support them. And they want to show that they are professional soldiers. And they want to show that they are not tribal. And they want to show that they are actually, they can be trusted by South Sudanese. South Sudan can support them. Okay, so that's what they were showing all those. Now, when the government come, government is trying to undermine that, trying to prove that what they were saying is actually wrong. That they are killing people based on the tribe, they are killing the Denka, they are actually leaving non-Denka. That is what is this is what the video is. So this one is going to have a lot of propaganda, and what South Sudanese wanted to understand is that this war, the way people take it, is totally wrong. Okay? Because you see, those soldiers, even himself, he say that he's from, what did he say? He says he's from a battalion called Mobile Force. So Mobile Force is not a Denka. Mobile Force is a battalion within the government of South Sudan. Okay? So now, if you say, okay, those prisoners who are actually being captured, these are not Denka. These are you can use the right, correct language, that these are South Sudanese soldiers. So if they are killed wrong or there's something wrong, talk about them, say that they are South Sudanese soldiers, not the Denka. So that's really very bad. And then if they are killed, don't say the Nuer killed them. Say the SPLA or maybe White Army fighting, those who are fighting in front, kill them. This is what South Sudanese could understand themselves and could know actually what is the war is all about, so that we can really not take this as a tribal. Okay? So if you say that this is a target of the ethnic group, so that means you are putting the war to be a tribal war, which is really very wrong. We cannot afford to fight a tribal war in South Sudan unless we wanted to go back to our ancient, where there was every tribe live by themselves. Otherwise, we will not have a country. So it's better we keep it as a war between the government of South Sudan and the opposition. So in that way, it makes sense. Anybody who support government of South Sudan, you join government of South Sudan forces. You support the opposition forces, you join opposition forces. And if you want to be specific, you can say that this war is between Riek Machar, the vice president, and Salva Kiir, the president. So that whoever you want, you can join and fight alongside of them. If they are defeated, whoever defeated actually take the government. This is the way you can actually understand the war in South Sudan. So I wanted to actually to put some prediction about this. What I think overall on this war is that I usually say this war is a stupid war. It's not going to, one side not going to win. No one is going to win. Even if you see people they celebrate all this. In my analysis, critical analysis, I analyze it and then I conclude that IO is not going to win, and government also, they are not going to win. So what will happen then? So what will happen is that both parties, they are going to go to the peace agreement. Okay? So they will go to revitalize peace agreement, and Riek Machar will be released, and then there will be a negotiation, maybe another new negotiation, or the existing negotiation will be done. So that means we are going to run into another extension of the government or transition government, and then we may not have the election that people are talking about in December. So that's what my reading right now, and it may change or not, but this is my standing for now. So let me briefly address the audience in Tognuare or Tognas. Okay. So minan lade jane kayen nuwarte kon tialing taban. Okay. Min lade karewo korodien te kon babla ronne. Min nyam kurnan we lunore loka kurnan we ka jongle state. Tanan we ka je wedi ngumle rode. Okay. Min dong kanere akaf neide kon ya akaf GSPLA yo dor ya la pajut. Okay. Tanan ya nyu ne ka video ajikuma. So luno entere auto ken kon babler won me. So mi video je luno be here ko bawon ne kondial ko luno ne me la de tok no la de tok wayna. Okay? min dem kurnan le rode law government kume we long we win to one long win to one re local law within money re o so allow ayu way rodian kan jay gare ran jay gare chim bang chim pinyekan allow no more enjen le rode min dong bi ngai odi o yani nay to one long sharp to one jay ke allow way rodian ko cha kume anga da kan so kwa to one long dut ke bang pin bang ke law luno moy rodian kwa taban mering ko ro kor ma luno tilmi di long no whether young whether ma badwal min dong den wodi wo yani tilia medi tin long ko taban law ye di de long ye nan tray lo kan tam is too much no jen kel ban ngai te ga chieng to wang ke mo ne nyin kuzne taban ke ta na la bor ga bi rew la pin chieng mo rew na ti ga rew ti ke chul wi dun ke ti ke kuz dun te ye mo dorun so bi mo ga rew so to ron tam tang ka ken okay so min le rode odi wo chap firma ya kuma ya ngada kan baraka rodin but in reality tilo development law tilo gwasu kon dong de ko jone ne yene we tin taban metta ko to gwasu ko to safe goro de ko long ko kirande le bazirande ber ba long yen lu no we ana no more can be very important la lo na long re ka ko ram ku gwanan chut ge ku yum te bi do mbabna ko mu go yo na baraka rodin so no mo kel nan mi nan le rode ray ko ndama min kwalla wi jenen min goyesin kume jenen ne jenen gwadi ala to ka ba ka bom min lade ka we ne kin no mo goye je ki to ka goye ba lawo jen o we re ki mero ko diko ala kume muguru no kwade kon te luno te akabu je jiayo daru pega wat mungkin da pega yuai mungkin da pega dornan yala pajut ala o bilun ri chim ka piri ka da luno ka wala gat reyo wi ka patai wi ri al tona kare chin higa kan so no mo erong ka be berieu nung kon min yam dero ko dero jako de uling law chere kam no rega ni jam ko dero le li wona na ken mo lel ga ken wala wona le wore chimo me wo wa gora wa ro me ati fide da makala ma de gora cha bakan so no da la ke ni wore kon take le ke ma der ko no problem no dong ya ngai kan okay so mi dong de no di wona na yani ken cha ga de trust sha ko mu wi cha mu wi ga de pa ne ken bi ko ken bi wi cha mana chab datu luno de ke jien law changtim lo kono yang ram lo ko wonda jenda makan ge ji law da yi ge so to dial kono cha ngai ko riuna dir kono yi rei pan ka nei te wosgen cheke cha ngai o dor da ke di ganu dorun mi ya je hawdere de lendi so no mo minan le ro den tam ka ke mi ku ben ka ji ayo bi ga bi je law right ke kan ne kon cha go jien ko me ala tactical withdrawal ke military ala mi ki military sign me yelel mi tiga de tactical withdrawal chalel mo ken ayi tactical withdrawal me yelel mo ken ayi sur defect ke military sign ki mo wenno lono ba yor ma tawale mi ki ro withdraw kri ye ka adu mi yadu ye palwa so minan lel ga ken actually Merkana tactical withdrawal is then Kanga and Ganeshia tactical withdrawal can higati. 10 AETI but do no lally of the dead by joy by then. So no go over and I okay. Mindong Odi Benan Begana Red Radial Conculum Kafu and Tama Lawina Yitin ring in the corner and take a pin. So I actually action. Na Changaramia Koftawan now coin Manabia Ocean correct Munya. So no more mingwe one and the coater thinken mingwe de larar or kurnan way de lelekan would ne to de pass. Tala no can do you correct no one from your egg macabre you now is bo. How do you change it? Lakino big up and work a door big ben be winter one. When I'm here correct. None wrong. ma jin ma pas ke mu ko mi ala ambush a ji kwa la oda le ji ko ngai kume kene ji do ar ci bom de ne de par no ngai re ne dia okay so lu no jin mu wi ko le la won ne ku ko le palwo bina ko yo ne tactical no ma lu no ne to wan chang la bor ga ne do I don't think about bandro LinkedIn no so mina we can either can tiai ka radian or min dong de wi ta ho min kin ne de kan nan kwer no ba me ye pa jut nga je kan ba taban mu we kan o adu ye bom long but adu me bom long my argument jen ne odi adu me bom ma ka ye ka jaro den ye ba ko ngai o adu ye bom ma yodo paske bi adu man tamelo there is example ko Nasser for example taban ko Nasser wedana alaw kam Nasser kana wulang okay medani ne roi sin gare je di mu jela logo alaw da ana to ju ina na we wala tactical withdrawal okay so we no I don't think so may turn out then you turn out like actually TI ne don't want commander at TI so no more kung I argue no more yen nan le rode lakin dia we ku mo kai nung ni ala keno ka dong ba ka tia taban te ga TI en ka ku tia min dong te ne ko ni TI dong te ke chung so baran yo kala kwane le mo ga nyone le tin so which is okay no more send me then you be a dunun be real kan be a kurun be a nyole but ka argument nan le ngini di ne ko no ya ko pal ben go de mi di bo bom long wo ba ka jojo so la we bom la te mu dong wa nyo le kan ba tare ji no ba nyo le kan te ba yo le la bo bom ko ba la ba ya ko nyo joy so to dial ro ken ko no kwara den count ti le tam jana ma dong ma tin ma ka kul lingwa ba dong da o chak ne ka wa lu no garma chare wai tin we lu no yena che gare o tong li gar dial kon ko commander ni na yo ti kon ko ko ter che ju yen ne lu no wa ro dun ko mi ya dun ko lu no chila commander anymore or bila responsible ko mo bitore ko so no mo ma to no mi che tawan to tabara ma te ga sijin chane de ju che men la ke lu no chaklin but weber te ne lu communicate contrar tong da ka to dong te ga telet ke ken ko te commander at rar long dam lakin sengi ro ja garma jar dong lu ko kurnan wo tong jo ko te lu no ban lu male ke ban mule to ka de tin but all in all no ajenen nanen min baba wi wala min dong dien nei te chi te ga ne de akaf video ni kono wi na ko pa jut ko re nyam video no to ya na wi te ga ne de akaf ayo ne to ya ga news so me ga news radio no to bat radio ga gor ya ga news ne to ken ji ne ga kaf lakin cha ka pan law moy go kon moy go mu to dia ala ken okay me lel ga ken gurgunu baga support ji wi mon baga ko consider ko borga la luno ayu kel ga na waida mi ci ga ne ri ang ken ga ne na kana ken ke rabin ci ne de ku mu long yang ya ku ma kam ke so me alele ken jana nyu ken o kon chakala rabin kon gurgunu yoy ko ne ku me til raman na ka mo kwa target so no mo law chagui a very strong chawaje law da senmet okay then kuma me ben min ye lel jenen alaw mi rep che kov chawe ne de jendang wan wi wan a cha ne de jendang dok wi dok cha kana cha dol ka la kov ran bargadan garmi ala peter ma jok so alaw mi akov cha ju jin chu roi ka tok mo dong roi ne ka tok jana ma gore bal ko ji la rek la ki roi la tok jana ya roi we kon me ka ko law ne de jendang wan wi wan cha ne de jendang dok with the dog cha kana cha nei chi nei dang wo ya kana ke la ke kan ji ayo cha ro bar ke la ke luno jene do to ye chirme liu den luno yero je wen tam luno nan me bena me chak chu ke ye luno cha ngayo ye te la ki ne wol ko ne anang dio no ken dong yi biu te roi na ne la me ku ben dong yi ling video mo jong dong ya na ji lakin and the problem wo bi luon ka loin ta de ko jen gore le long first of all minan muguro bi lo nyine minan bi kon ngai sino ne language nan la die jin roi na ko tok jana ken nyam kar roi na to no nyen bi kon yez no more a problem kuno mo nyul je wona ne roy nan la de cha design roy ma ya jone ne jin la re ci roy ma do nyuy de kire wi so no mo jen kel nan min bi ngay no min dong wodi wona ne jen mu kan jen je rodam ya ram kel garod ne dial ko no kulu ma fo naka ke wo runo yale luno ci de kan garode min dong wodi wona ne yani alaw kuma minani bak bona ga mai redis long tatel ga jiayo ba bona ga mai bona rian yale min kinan wo nakana min kinan na ba daga najen ko ngar ma ka ginyi so to dial kulu ka ti kon leal ga rodien lakin the main thing nan kon lar wana me point video ka jen cha le ku cha nan na lel je ku ne video dan yale jiayo ba ku le lawo jen ci jen gwade lao kan ne ti luno video nan lela kan ci tele ci sen mek lao jen min la dil larga kan jelen kan nakana ne dial ko na kan ga jang ne di apal kan ne di kon ti to ja an ra mi mo jang apal to ko ke la ke an ra mo jang ya na tere ne te jenang dok wi dok to ko na alel so no mo jen nan lela kan kwa antam kwa sakule ko social media club house mu larga kan o ta jang target ta jang na luno roy mo nyen lar ken tam so minan kollar biya ram mi rum gram mo jinubi mumkin me jam fasol bi jone ne ala ne di kontin cha kafti awala ja kan ci ga jam ke de ne kuma okay so ken min de lar gen de lano de ne kuma aka target mana luno ken yena ga de ne kuma kana wolu no wa jam wa gorwane kaka ci jam ti aka ka ga ne de ne kuma fasol so no mo nyu yo mala re kan wa jang le na which mean can kwa create no problem ka kane guru no bi ayo ba ko lu yi me chi cher me chi ji me dai me lu no me dai wake up ke me dai wake so no mo jen kel re do ndong dien lo ba le lo kur chi kur jana kan no re kur kuma kan ne ko lu kuma mi guru bi le specific here ne yang chela le na ko no nyu na o jinu bi no wan wo ke ni ga nyu ngay no jam kan nuor bas jam kan nuor ito kan lat ga kalabaw lakin the reality nan muguro ne yenen bialen la lele en kurme dungre wo char kamen salvakir bukula clear okay so yo char jin me jira mo yo char support kan ma luno yene na kayo me jira mo ran mo ne kir support kan ma yene na ka kume ko kan garara pon ye okay ram ya juyo ma we ka we ala ba luno ba tergen so no mo ngen correct way ram la de wona ne cha jang le cha le luno ra mo en kan ne ko mo ye kam jana ka problem kan no re so no mo ngen nan we ye no mo ka tikon we re ko fa to me iran je so bi ko luñ go luñ dun bi ko understand ka ta dun but this is what ngen nan we please share and thank you, Balajerun.